Alright, I'm going to modify the adapt surface that we created earlier, and I'm going to add a point in the middle. Now the 10 points I created were equally spaced, therefore there is not a point existing in the middle right now. So what I'm going to do here is, maybe I'll hide this, we're going to put a point in the middle of this line. So what I do is I use the point command, grab the line on a curve, select this line, and I'm going to use ratio of the curve, and the ratio is 0.5. That'll be halfway through. Select preview, select OK. That point right there is point number 17 at a ratio of half. If I pull this back out of hide, double click this, under section, I'm going to select section 2, and I want to insert between section 2 and section 3 point number 17 that's right in the middle. So I'm going to click on that. It jumps down to be point number 5. So if you do it out of order, what's going to happen? Well, when I hit preview, look what it did there. It knows where it's at, so it doesn't like go from 1 to come over, skip 3, go to 4, and then come back to 5. It does it in this order from left to right here. So it knows, even though section 5 point and section 5 is not in between 2 and 3, it still will keep it at 2 and 3, or right in between 2 and 3. Okay, but it'll be kind of confusing when you go to look at it, because it's calling section 5 here in the middle, which might be fine, because that's just what, instead of starting over, this is just what it's going to look like, and the end result is what I wanted. I'll select OK, and then we've got that picture. So I want you to snag a picture that looks like this, and then we'll do another one. Double click adaptive sweep. Let's change 0.5 parameter to 2 and preview it and see what it looks like. And let's change it to 3. Preview that and see what it looks like. We can hit the up arrow to 4 in preview. Let's up arrow one more time. Preview. I don't know how far you can go before you break this thing, but at some point I don't think it's going to be able to handle it. So I might be making a big, oh my god, I can't believe it. It looks like it did something. So there's some point of just being ridiculous that this is nothing I can really work with, so I'll hit undo. Alright, so if you're inclined to want to break the system, try and do stuff like that. I'll double click adaptive sweep, and we will go back to parameters for section 5. Change that to 5. Oh no, let's go 3. Alright, and you can take a picture of it looking like this. So 2 more pictures to add to your docs.